Alrighty, today I want to talk about something that I'm going to call self-engineering, and if you'll allow me, I'm going to read a blog also called Self-Engineering. I have been reading a book on engineering. It is called Foundations of Engineering by Holsapple and Rees. It is the second book of engineering that I have read. The first one was maybe 10 years ago. I started studying engineering because I wanted to know more about troubleshooting and problem solving. And there were really no good books about those things, but there were engineering books. The authors of this book define an engineer as an individual who uses math, science, and economics to solve technical problems that confront society. An engineer is a problem solver. Now, math, science, and economics were the three subjects I disliked the most in school. Yet these are the disciplines that solve problems. The main tool of engineering is something called the design method. It has 10 steps. Number 1, identify and define the problem. Number 2, assemble a design team. Number 3, identify constraints and criteria for success. Number 4, search for solutions. Number 5, analyze each potential solution. Number 6, choose the best solution. Number 7, document the solution. Number 8, communicate the solution to management. Number 9, construct the solution. And number 10, verify and evaluate the performance of the solution. And I guess there's number 11. That would be repeat as necessary. This sounds like a recipe for life, and it is. These are the steps that some of us take to fashion a life worth having. Then the authors talk about the traits of a successful engineer. There are 16, and these are listed on pages 24 and 25. They sound like the traits of a successful anything, a successful person. And so here they are. The first one is interpersonal skills. The next one is communication skills. The next one is leadership. Then comes competence, logical thinking, quantitative thinking, follow-through, continuing education, maintaining a professional library, dependability, honesty, organization, common sense, curiosity, involvement in the community, and then the last one, and perhaps the most important one, creativity. And like I said, these are the traits of a successful person. All of us are building lives, so all of us should engage in a process of self-engineering. We have to apply engineering to ourselves, and if we don't, we get a life that someone else has engineered, or we get a nothing life. It isn't easy. I read this book, and so much of it I just kind of have to gloss over. I don't understand some of the concepts and formulas, like moments of torque, for example, and other things. I could not have passed a course in engineering in a quarter, a semester, or even a year. But then again, and now, I don't have to. I have a lifetime to study and apply the principles of engineering. And so do you. Or as Captain James T. Kirk may have said, Scotty, how soon can you get us to warp factor 9?